Okay, that's it. This is gonna be so good. So that's how I prepare it. I think it's easier when you're making a big batch. Just do it in the sink. I don't have a bowl that big, so I like to prepare it in the sink. The sink is clean, and you just shove this right in the oven. Okay, it's all done. Now, I did hit broil for the last 5 minutes, so we could get this perfect crispiness. Now you want to be careful. Don't put this in your mouth right away. It's going to be really hot. But look how perfect this baked mac and cheese went. And if you're wondering about any of the things that were in the sink, guess what? It boils all out. Look at this. That is a perfect bowl of mac and cheese. Are you kidding me? Amazing. So good.